Have you ever tried dividing a number and it resulted in a value that never ends, like 1.61803? What kind of number is that? In this lesson, we're diving into the weird, wonderful world of numbers that go beyond natural, whole, and integers. Hey everyone, welcome back to Maths Online. In this lesson, we are learning about the types of numbers. This is part 2 of a 3-part series. Rational numbers. These are the set of numbers that can be written in the form p over q, where p and q are integers and are not equal to 0. Examples: 1/3, 0.25, which in the form p over q is 1/4, -7, 1.81, which also in the form p over q is 181/100. Next up, we have irrational numbers. These are numbers that can't be written in the form p over q. The numbers after their decimal point are non-terminating, meaning they never end, and they don't follow a pattern. Examples: the golden ratio, which is represented by the Greek letter phi, which is equal to 1.618033989, and the 3 dots at the end simply means that the numbers go on forever. The next example we have is the square root of 5, which is referred to as surd 5. Then we have pi. Notice that for the golden ratio, the digits after the decimal point doesn't show a pattern. Looking at the number 0.142857, you can see that there is a pattern. The digits 142857 repeat. Therefore, that number, which can be written as 0.42857 with a bar above the repeating digits, is a rational number. Another thing to note is that once a decimal terminates, that decimal is a rational number. For example, 0.75. You see that the 75 terminates, and 0.75 can be written as 3/4. Amazing! As we go along, we are learning more and more about these types of numbers. We are now at the final type of numbers which we are learning today, and that is real numbers. Simply put, real numbers are all numbers that exist. To summarize, we learned about rational numbers, irrational numbers, and real numbers. This wraps up part 2 of our journey through the different types of numbers. If you learned a thing or two from this lesson, like, share, and subscribe to be a part of Maths Online. Have questions? Feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, stay focused, keep learning, and never forget, math is all around us.